Hi, good evening. This is Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Anytime an inverse ETF looks good, not a good day in the market. And this is one of them. This is the ProShares Ultra Short S&P 500. Now, this one does move fast, especially in times of volatility, and it is bullish. And that means the market is generally looking bearish. But doesn't mean you still can't make money when the market's going down. As active investors, that's kind of what we like to do. And so what I want to see from SDS is a move back above this 200-day moving average. And so I think it definitely makes sense to have an alert on this chart right around that 44.40 level. And we'll want to see this push through and break higher and get back above that 200-day moving average for a potential test of that $47 range. Now, if I zoom out here, you can see that we have a low from back here in August. Then we had the October low in the market, which would have been the high of this chart. And when it pulled back, you can see it actually made a technical higher low, just by a little bit here. So this is not great for the market, but like I said, as active investors, this is definitely a vehicle that you can use to make money even when the market is going down. So definitely check this chart out tomorrow. We'll want to see if this can get above and hold above that 200-day moving average. So I hope that video is helpful. You should definitely check out what we're up to over at StockMarketMentor.com. Dan Fitzpatrick has a whole library of trading tutorials. So if you are not trading this mess, you can at least use this time to upgrade your skills. Click the link, StockMarketMentor.com, and I'll see you on the other side.